In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively use the Wix Stores Filter and Sort feature to enhance the usability of your site. First and foremost, you need to find your way to the right page. Do this by opening your Wix editor and navigating to the particular page that contains your product gallery or your category page. It's crucial to select the correct page, as this is where you will be adding the filtering and sorting capabilities. Next, it's time to illustrate where you can find and open up the settings for your page. Begin by clicking on the product gallery or category page element. This could be a picture, text, or a field that represents a product or category. Once you've selected it, you'll then want to click the settings icon. This usually resembles a gear or cogwheel. Clicking this will unveil a variety of options that you can adjust according to your liking. To begin with, let's add some filters. So, go ahead and click on the Display tab within the Settings panel. Here, you will see options like Sorting and Filters. You need to enable these by checking the box next to each of these options. Checking these allows you to control what visitors see and how they interact with your site. Up next is customizing the sorting function. There is a tab specifically dedicated to this named the Sorting tab. Here you can modify the sorting title and dictate what sorting options your customers can use. Perhaps you want to let them sort products by their name, or maybe their price. To select these options, you simply have to check or uncheck the boxes next to them. In the case that there are available filter options specific to your page, you can customize them by clicking on the Filters tab. Here, you can dictate what collections or categories to display. For example, you can filter your products into categories like electronics, home decor, fashion, or any category that suits your products. Lastly, but certainly not least, save your changes. This may seem like a basic step, but it is absolutely necessary to implement the changes you've made. After saving, it's a good idea to preview your site to ensure that the filters and sorting work as per your preferences. Once this has been verified, don't forget to publish your site to make the changes live and visible to your site visitors and potential customers. Following this guide will help streamline the customer journey on your site, potentially aiding in increasing their engagement and boosting your sales. Once proficient, the use of the Wix Stores Filter and Sort feature becomes a simple but effective tool for enhancing your online store's functionality. Remember, the user experience is key, and properly enabling these features can significantly enhance it.